once we decided to go that route, so we invited, lot bigger companies and everything else, and we discussed with them. But one of the thing we found, the OmegaCube, they were right in Chicago. And we, if needed help, we knew that we will be, just call them, they will be here, Compared to big companies, they big client, and we are a small client, and manufacturing and all kinds of stuff. So we wanted a custom product designed for us, One of the things, we also had a Fox Pro, all data was in that one. When we talked to other people, they were very reluctant to convert those Fox Pro data. And OmegaCube came and jumped in and said, don't worry about it, we understand the Fox Pro and we'll convert that to user data, Those are the major things that we decided to go with OmegaCube.
And the other nice thing about that too is when we transferred the data from Fox Pro to OmegaCube system, there was a lot of repeated data, just duplicates. We're able to help customize and tailor that down to the useful data that we needed to have transferred over. It was very helpful. So besides offering us that assistance to transfer it, they also help trim it down to very useful information.